Good morning, students. Take out your maths book, page 109 and 110. See the value of each object given in the box. There are some objects are given here and the value of each object is written here. Look at this balloon is of rupees 15, pencil rupees 20, bat rupees 40. Clear? Now find out the total cost in each case. The example is given here. The cost of chocolate is rupees 4 and the cost of candle is rupees 3. Now you have to find out total cost. 4 plus 3, 7. The cost of chocolate and candle is rupees 7. Clear? Now this is doll and this is birthday cap. Now the cost of doll, look here. The cost of doll is rupees 50. So we will write here rupees 50. Now the cost of this cap is, look here, rupees 10. And I will write here rupees 10. You also do this page in your math book and you will write it properly. And now we have to find out total cost. Now 50 plus 10, 50 plus 10. What number come after 5? 6. So 50 plus 10 is rupees 60. 50 plus 10 is rupees 60. The cost of doll and this cap is rupees 60. Now next question. This is bat and the toy of this, the cost of this is rupees 70 and we will write here rupees 70 and its cost is rupees 5. Rupees 5. Now 70 plus 5, 75. The total cost is rupees 75. 5 plus 0, 5 and 7, rupees 75. Now the cost of balloon is rupees 15 and the cost of balloon is rupees 15. And now the cost of pencil is rupees 20. Now we have to find out total cost. So 5 plus 0, 5 and 2 plus 1, 3. 35 rupees. Total cost is 35 rupees. Now next page. Bat and ball. Now the cost of bat is 40 rupees and the cost of ball is 25 rupees. 40 rupees and 25 rupees. Now we have to find out total cost. Now 5 plus 0, 5 and 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 4. What number come after 4? 5, 6. 65 rupees. So the total cost is 65 rupees. Now this is pen and this is pencil and the cost of pen is 35 rupees and the cost of pencil is 20 rupees. 35 rupees and 20 rupees. Now total cost is, we have to add these values. 5 plus 0, 5 and 3 plus 2, 5. Rupees 55. Clear? Now next question. Look here. The cost of this one and chocolate is, look here, 5 rupees and 4 rupees. 5 rupees and 4 rupees. Now total cost is 5 plus 4, 9. 9 rupees. Clear? Now next the cost of doll and candle. Cost of doll 50 rupees and the cost of candle 3 rupees. 50 rupees and 3 rupees. Now the total cost is 3 plus 0, 3. Now 5 rupees 53. Clear? Now the cost of this birthday cap and ball. Birthday cap 10 rupees and ball 25 rupees. 10 rupees, 25 rupees. Now you have to find out total cost. You will add it 5 plus 0, 5 and 2 plus 1, 3. 35 rupees. Clear? Now next bat and pen. The cost of bat is 40 rupees and the cost of pen is 35 rupees. 40 rupees and 35 rupees. Clear? Now 5 plus 0, 5 and 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3, yes, 7 rupees 75. The total cost of bat and pen is rupees 75. Now you will do page 109 and 110 in your math book and you will revise the same page in your rough notebook also. Thank you.